Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a tomato salad, a very simple recipe. We need 2 tomatoes and coriander leaves to garnish, salt and sugar, and groundnut powder. We'll dice the tomatoes first. This salad can go with chapatis or curries or just rice. Probably you've heard the word raita. You can add yogurt to this as well, but here we are not going to add yogurt. We're just going to add peanuts and we're going to season it with mustard seeds. I'm going to already put my coriander on the diced tomatoes. Alright, let's get ready for our seasoning. So make sure the pan is hot enough. About a teaspoon of oil. The oil is fine, or even ghee is fine. Let's check if our oil is ready. We'll add in just half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and to that we are going to add asafoetida and turmeric, and then turn the flame off, and we are going to straight pour it on top of our diced tomato. To that we will add the groundnut powder, half tablespoon, salt to taste, and a bit of sugar. If your tomato is kind of sour, then you might need a little bit more. And here you go, our salad is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy it, make it at home, and let me know how it turned out for you. And I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.